Okay, so you know, get my pen working here. Step 0, although I just call it step 1, whatever, you can call it whatever you want. Put X on the right side. Just because you got to have something over there, okay? So, and then step 2, step 1, or whatever you want to call it, change to exponential form. So let's bring the question over here. So it's log of 1 over 100,000 equals X, okay? How do you change to exponential form? Well, you've got to grab the base and do the swish thing. I don't see a base. There's no lower down, right? The base means bottom, like the base of a table is the bottom of the table. So the base of the log is the lower down bottom of the log. I don't see a base there. What's up?
It's 10.
Yeah, it's 10, exactly. We all good with that? Remember we talked about that? If the base is not showing, it's 10. So I gave you that in the notes somewhere. I don't know where. Maybe they're up here. Yeah, there we go. So the invisible bases, log base 10 is the same as log. When the base 10, you can tell they're log, the 10 is assumed, called the common log. Okay, so yeah, so the 10, so you go ahead and put in the 10, and then do the swish. 10 to the X to the boom. So 10 to the X equals 1 over 100,000. So we get rid of the log. So we do the swish thing, we change from log form to exponential form. We get rid of the log. Okay, now step number 2, guess on your calculator 10 to what power to be 100,000. So just start guessing on your calculator, or you can multiply 10 times 10 times 10, or you might just already know. There's 5 zeros. So 10 to the 5th is 100,000. Anytime you multiply by another 10, it adds a 0 to the back, doesn't it? So 2 10s would have 2 zeros, 3 10s, 3 zeros, 5 10s, 5 zeros. So it's 10 to the 5th. So 10 to the 5th equals 100,000. But this is 1 over 100,000. So what am I going to do to get this to jump down below? What does X have to be?
Negative.
Yeah, -5. This X has to be -5, doesn't it? Because the negative part, remember, negative powers jump to the bottom. Negative powers do not make negative answers, they make fraction answers. That's a really important theme in this chapter. Negative powers make fraction answers. So it'll jump to the bottom, and then it'll be 10 to the 5th, and we already know 10 to the 5th is 100,000, so it'll put 100,000 on the bottom. So the answer is -5. There we go.